the those stories that Sir C.V. Raman, he was an accountant in some company, and when he was moving in the ship, he found that why this. He asked somebody, he must have heard of these things. He asked somebody that why the sky is blue, why this. Curiously, he asked that why this water is blue. And somebody asked that this is the reflection of this is the reflection of sky. The sky is blue, so that is this is also blue. But he sometimes he says that when the skies are full of this black black thing, then also it is blue. Then curiously he could not get the satisfied answer, and he started researching on that, and he leads to the inelastic uh, inelastic activity of electromagnetic radiation, and then from that Raman effect was discovered. So, curiosity is the driving force for scientific temperament and scientific development. So, what is science? And I have got this definition from, and this is the so energy shifts is equal on either side, or it is independent of external source, excited source. So, from this we are getting Stokes line, anti-Stokes line, or Rayleigh line. Rayleigh line कहला जोटा कि energy समान थी वो, and the longer wavelength है that is Stokes line, if shorter wavelength that is anti-Stokes line. And usually what happens, so the Stokes line is having higher intensity, and this Stokes line is having less intensity. The Rayleigh line, this is Stokes and this is anti-Stokes. So, and we are talking about the curiosity is very much important, and willingness, that should be the driving force. Because in the college also we are not getting enough funds. So we tell that whenever there is a practical examination, chemical nahi, we are also telling the same thing. Practical hogi, instrument nahi, something we are only escaping mentality. କଣାଦ ଅଣୁର जो definition ଦେଇଥିଲେ କଣାଦ Indian scientist, and however John Dalton he scientifically explained that when any substance is break into small pieces, then again a time will come when you cannot break those particles, and that is called atom. And he has given the idea of atom, and he has given that atoms made to become the compounds. And Sir was telling that hydrogen, they are having hydrogen itself it forms, and oxygen help in burning. But when they make a substance that is H2O, that neutrons, protons, neutrons, and nucleus. After the discovery of this electrons, protons, nucleus, and neutrons, then atomic model, another model was given. This is called Plum-Pudding model. Function. However, this was discarded. Then after that, Rutherford was given a model. He told that the nucleus is at the center and the electrons are moving around. And he do not told anything about the orbit of anything like that. So this theory also again discarded. Then Bohr's atomic model. This one is the most accepted model once upon a time. He gives the orbital concept. Then again, this concept was again revised. Then Sommerfeld told that electrons not only move in a circular fashion but also in elliptical fashion. This is all about the classical mechanics. It is all classical mechanics. Then quantum mechanics comes, and quantum mechanics requires you cannot the electron is having fuel nature. And from that, orbital concept was discovered. And Schrodinger is the father of quantum mechanics. And so this one another statement that's made by another Nobel Prize winner, that is Pennyman. When he was asked about tell one sentence about science, he told that he